The Calder Valley has borne the brunt of the country's worst flooding in living memory. Catastrophes such as this can bring out the best or the worst in people. In this case, it has brought out the best. From the armies of Sikh and Muslim volunteers to a group of Syrian refugees who escaped Syria a few months ago. They explained why they were there. I volunteered when I was in Aleppo. I was an ambulance driver and helped with humanitarian rescue efforts when the Assad regime bombed civilian areas. Now in the UK, I also want to volunteer, and so do many other Syrians who recognize the importance of humanitarian efforts like this. One, because of the destruction in our homeland. The group also fills sandbags. It's extremely uplifting both for us and for the community, which we helped. With everything that is happening in our homeland, it is nice to be helping where we can. The Sikhs had been dishing out free curry in the Calder Valley for a few days, when a man in his mid to late 20s came up to them, very emotional. He had a confession to make. "I used to hate Asians," he told one of the coordinators. "I used to be with Combat 18, but I'm so ashamed of that now, having seen how you are all here helping us." He vowed to go and apologize to all the Asian shopkeepers he had been rude to over the years. "These floods have changed people," says Ravi Singh, one of the Sikh volunteers. "It's been incredibly inspiring to see how people of all backgrounds have come together. There was no twiddling thumbs waiting for the government or authorities to help. Everybody rallied around, and they got stuck in. I think the experience will have a long-lasting effect on these communities."